Okay, this video is going to also be a short one. Basically, all I'm going to teach you is how to make a rolling PowerPoint for school and classroom announcements to have going in your classroom whenever students are doing their assignments or when nothing is needed on the projector on the smart board. I have found that students enjoy this tool, and it allows you to show a little bit of your own personality to your students. So, to keep this simple, open up a PowerPoint application and start creating your PowerPoint. My first slide is usually about the up-and-coming assignments and due dates. All I do here is import a picture that reflects something I enjoy, or at least a meme, along with a table in which I can edit. This table and any text outside of this table is simply added by going to the Insert tab at the top of the page, and then from there click either Insert Text Box or Insert Table. After I've filled in all my content, then I go add a new slide and add a picture of something else that reflects my personality along with whatever information I want. For me, I use my second slide as my Google Class codes. You then rinse and repeat this process for as many slides as you want and add announcements to it. If you're wanting to add transition between slides, you can always do that through the Transition tab. Once you finish the presentation, all you have to do is format it to start rolling without having to manage it. To do this, go to the Slideshow tab at the very top of the page, and it is not in the PowerPoint app. Then you scroll all the way down to Setup Show and click it. From there, here's your options that you have to have checked. Browse by individual window. This will free up your computer so that you can work as a secondary display while having Slideshow running. Next, you want to have Loop continuously and Show without narration checked. Then we want all slides checked and using timing if present checked. This will allow you to have the slides continuously switch without having any input from you. Last thing we need to do is to make these slides naturally transition after X amount of time. To do this, we go to the Transitions tab. From there, we go to the farthest right section, and instead of having After Mouse Click checked, we need to have After checked and set up a specific time in which we want this transition to happen after. I usually say about 40 seconds so that students have enough time to read it. Now all you have to do is apply to all, and when you're wanting this presentation to go on in the background, all you have to do is click Start Presentation and drag it onto your secondary display. From here you're ready to go, and you can edit it every day and update it as much as you want to add more events to it. Okay, that wasn't too hard or even too long. I hope this helped you out and allows you to present school and class-wide information easily throughout your class. Think of it as your own classroom billboard.